Okay, so the first step when you're looking to professionally clean a piece of upholstery is to spray down all of the fabric using your diluted cleaning solution. Here I'm using a handheld pump-up sprayer full of my solution, and this is a synthetic piece. If this was a cotton or linen sofa, I would need to be using a fine fabric solution in order to prevent any browning of the fabric. The next step is to scrub in your solution. You can use a manual brush if you do not have a drill brush, but I prefer the drill brush as it's quicker and easier. This is just a standard cordless drill with the drill brush, which you can easily buy on Amazon. While scrubbing, make sure you hit all the armrests and the back of the piece that you're cleaning. And if there are heavy stains or wear on the fabric, you might need to spray down some more cleaner and then scrub the areas a bit more, because typically I find that most of the stain removal actually comes out during this step rather than the extraction step that will follow. Okay, the final step now is to extract all of the contaminants and your cleaning solution from the couch. This is a very important step as it removes any of the substances that could have been causing stains in the couch and any odor-causing substances as well, for instance, pet stains. The tool I'm using here is a Rotovac shear dry. It's called a jetless upholstery tool because it doesn't use external jets like old-fashioned upholstery tools. The benefit of this is that it helps the couch dry quicker and it gets a more thorough clean. But ultimately you can use whatever equipment you have on hand to extract. Just be careful not to over-wet the fabric. On some of the dirtier pieces, like this one I'm showing here, you can actually see the transformation right in front of your eyes as we pull all the dirt out. This is another one of the benefits of having a clear head upholstery tool, because it also lets you see what you're pulling out, and it lets you know if you need to make more passes over the piece or if you've flushed out most of the dirt. When the water starts running clear through the tool, that's when you know you've done pretty much most of what you can get out of the couch already. Okay, and with that, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.